Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have done a program based on encapsulation, and in this video we will do something new. What new? So I have come with a new topic which is function. In this video we will discuss about star args and double star args. Double star kwargs, and one by one I will discuss what is args and what is double star kwargs. In last video, we have learned encapsulation with polymorphism and inheritance. Also, we have done, actually in polymorphism, we have done method overriding. So, first I am going to discuss star args. And what is args? It is arguments. So, the full form of args is arguments. So, in this video, we will do overloading. And star args is used in function definitions to allow a function to accept any positional or any number of positional arguments. Like you can check here in line number 3, I have created a function. This is my function detail, and I had passed the argument as star args. This is my argument, and args is already arguments, and because I am passing one parameter within the within parentheses, so this will be my parameter or argument, you can say. And this is my details which I want to pass, like Tanvi 21 and Python. And what will it return? First, let me tell you that this is positional argument. So this is one position at 0th index, Tanvi will be at 0th index, 21 will be at first index, and Python will be at second index. And if I run this program, it will give me the values or the arguments in a tuple form. So let me print, and then I'll show you. Okay, so you can check here that it's giving me tuple. So that's why I have written here that star is, that means this argument is meant to accept any number of arguments and pack them into a tuple. We can reverse the process also, like if we want, we can unpack. Suppose I have given here, okay, let me first clear one more thing. I have given here 3 values at a time without key value pair. When we use star args, it will just take positional arguments, not in the key value pair. But when we will use double star kwargs, it will take the values in a key value pair. So as it is a positional argument, so it will take the position only. So here I am going to pass something else, like let me do this. If I pass here detail, suppose I'm passing here 1, and then again I'm passing here suppose 98, and again 68. Then let's see what will happen. So Python functions.py, you can check, it's giving me only tuples in the form of tuples. That's why I said that it will give us in the form of tuple. Actually, whatever variable we will pass or whatever argument we will pass, it will give us the output in a tuple form. That's why you can check here. Or if I want, I can also pass a empty tuple, empty detail. So let me do this detail, and this is empty. So let me again run the program. Okay, so you can check here. First I got the position, which is at position 0, the value is 1. And second, it is empty, so it's giving me empty. And third, fourth, I got the same. Okay, but I want to discuss about the line number 6. So when I pass just one argument or just one value, it's giving me that form of tuple and with comma. But you can see that when I pass I just given empty, it now you can say this is empty, so I didn't pass any argument, any value, so it's giving me just empty. It's okay. But suppose we created a tuple and we just stored one element, then we have to give a comma. Otherwise, Python will understand that it is just a function or argument. Sorry, it's just a function, not a tuple. So that's why we need to use comma. So here also, as it is giving us in the form of tuple, so it mentioned comma over there. Okay, so let me comment. Now let's do this. So what is this? Here we already checked that if we pass any argument or any positional values, it will give us in the form of tuple. But what if we give in the form of tuple? I mean, if we pass the arguments in the form of tuple, then what will happen? So it will unpack the tuple or list. I have created here a tuple and list also. So first I will show you with the help of tuple, then I will show you with the help of list. So here I created a reference called marks of type data type tuple, and I have passed just or I just stored 4 elements here, and there are up to 3 index, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now if I print star marks, and why I used here star, because we are working on star argument, so that's why I mentioned here star, and I will use it as a star arguments. And by this we are doing function overloading. So let's print this. So as you can see, I had created tuple here, but it's giving me there is no tuple. You can check there is no tuple. So when we will use star args, it will unpack the tuple or list. Okay, let's do with this list and then check the result is same or not. So you can check the result is same. So whenever we will first what we learn that if we create only function and we pass some arguments or some positional values, so it will pack the values or it will pack the arguments in a tuple form. But when we give a tuple, it will unpack the tuple, or if we give the list, it will unpack the list. So it's all about the args and star args. We will again work on the same star args and double star kwargs with some examples, or we will use it in the oops part. So first, okay, now I'm going to discuss about double star kwargs. So what is it? What is double star kwargs? It is same like star args. Here double star kwargs will work as key value pair. So here k means key and w means word. So it will just accept key value pairs like a dictionary. It will work as a dictionary. So as we can see that I have created here, I have defined a function detail, and okay, let me first uncomment this line. Now I have defined a function detail and I have passed the argument double star kwargs. Kwargs means keyword arguments. So inside the function kwargs behaves like a dictionary containing those key value pair. Like here I have given name Tanvi, name assigning operator Tanvi, age assigning operator 21. So it will give us dictionary. Let me run the program, then it will be clear. Okay, so you can check. I just passed the key value pair, the key and then assigning operator. I used here assigning operator to assign the value, or to assign the value actually. So, but it's giving me in the form of dictionary. Okay, so double star kwargs always, it will always take the value in key value pair. I mean the arguments in a key value pair. It's not like star args. Star args only accept values, not key values. So as you can say, double star is meant to accept any number of keyword argument and pack them into a dictionary. It will pack into a dictionary. We can also unpack a dictionary. So here I'm going to give an example where I am unpacking the dictionary. So in line number 34, again I have defined one function greet, and I passed three arguments or three parameters: name, role, and subject. So I'm going to print like this: hello, name, your roll number is something, and subject is something. Okay. So I passed the values here. As you can see, detail, I created a reference called detail of type dictionary, and here I passed the, this is my dictionary actually. I have created a dictionary, and you can see name Samir, role 28, and subject Python. So let's unpack this dictionary. I'm going to print it. As you can see, I had created a dictionary, but it's giving me the only line which is unpacked. Initially it was a dictionary, but now it's not a dictionary. It's just a sentence. Hello Samir, your role is 28 and subject is Python. In this way, I'm getting my output. So in this way, we can use double star kwargs. Now I'm going to use both star args and double star args together. And let's see how the output will come. So as you can see here, I had defined a function demo, and I'm passing two arguments like star args and double star kwargs. So I have to print, or I have to first give like this. First, it will take the positional values like 2, 5, 8, and then it will take the keyword values. I mean key value pairs. And we have to maintain the series or order. I mean, first we will pass the position. You can't do that like this, that if you want to put the 5 in between these two key value pairs, so it will not work. It will give you error. So if you are going to use both the star args and double star kwargs, so you need to maintain, or you need to maintain the order actually. So first we will pass the positional arguments only, then we will pass the key value pair arguments. So let's run the program, and you can see positional we get 258 and keyword name Krishna, profession advisor. So okay, let's check what we will get if we put it into the in middle of this 2. So let's put another number, like I'm putting a number 89, okay, and comma. So you can see it's looking like it's already giving our error. So let's do the program first, run the program. You can check. It's giving us error. Means the program not run. Syntax error, positional argument, follow keyword argument. So that's why I said that we will not do this. First we will pass the positional argument, then we will pass the keyword arguments. Okay. So in this way, we can do our program like star args and double star kwargs. In next video, we will solve a problem based on this star args and double star kwargs with OOPS part. OOPS means object oriented programming, that we have already done. So thank you very much. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye. Keep practicing.